The Mirage series, the subject of today is the power of the thought. The six very powerful words: you become what you think about. Just these six words. The negative aspect in any person's mind is manifested more acutely when you're in trouble. So if you think I am screwed, I am screwed, I am screwed, guess what? The mind will amplify the problem as it does for a hypochondriac, and guess what? You will be screwed. So you must try and handle that. There are two typical worlds or dimensions that any person lives in throughout their lives. First one being the material world, where they purchase material goods, joy, comfort, growth, sustenance of life, etc. The second world or dimension is the more powerful one, which is the world of the weightless spirit. Now, you may call this Shakti, you may call it Atma, you may call it God, you may call it anything which sustains life. When a person dies, the spirit or energy leaves the body, and the body weight of the dead person typically remains constant. It doesn't increase or it doesn't decrease pre-death and post-death, which means that the energy which left the body is weightless, it is invisible, and it is untouchable. Just like a person's thoughts are invisible, untouchable, and weightless. Now, when the COVID came upon us, in India at least, several hundreds and thousands of people died, and a lot of them died gasping for breath, gasping for oxygen. The same air or Shakti that sustained people through their lives, that same oxygen failed the COVID patients, which has a material weight. Oxygen cylinders have a weight. Oxygen or air in a car tire has a material weight, which deflates when it is punctured. Our own mind will justify the cause and reason for anything and either push it forward or pull it back negatively. We will justify why we couldn't do some things, tough as they might have been or easy as they might have been, and justify that, no, I did not do this. And you will be satisfied, oh, I did not do this because I had a valid reason. And we can think anything, negative or positive, and we are stuck here and try and move forward. Petrol drives the car. Food drives the body drives the mind, and the mind drives the thought, and vice versa. Now the problem is, if you invert the thought and mind, and if the mind starts driving the thought and thought starts driving the mind, then we get into a bit of a mess. So what do we do? One idea is to stay in neutral gear. Between positive and negative, there is a neutral point. Try and stay in the neutral gear, which will be equivalent to you being in the present, not being one foot in the past and not having one foot in the future. Because any business related activity is projecting the future. So you're looking at the future. Try and not do that. Steve Jobs, when he looked at his first Macintosh computer, said that to him, the computer looked like the bicycle of the mind. A very interesting analogy made by Steve Jobs, which he thought was true, because he felt that the computer could do much more than what a human being could ever achieve. So if you stay in the neutral gear or in the present, and if you harness opportunities, make most of the present, wherever you are, make the most of the present, grab the opportunities, you will start making positive gains. And Remember these 6 words. You will become what you think about. Harness it properly, move forward, go for it.